Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable and disable story archive on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right, and here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings. So once you are in setting, you simply need to scroll until you find the option of stories. Click on story settings, and here you can see the third option, story archive. Click on that option. Save your stories automatically after they disappeared. So now you can see that it is enabled. You simply need to click on that, and now it is disabled, and once you click on that you can enable. So this is the process by which you can enable or disable story archive on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.